Hi! In this video, I'll walk you through how you set up your inbound or outbound campaign and link your Google spreadsheet to Call Agent AI's backend system. First, prepare your Google spreadsheet and add the necessary headers, such as the lead's name, phone number, email address, and physical address. You can also include headers for information you want to record during the call, such as the lead's response, services they want to avail of, and booked or confirmed appointment dates and times. Next, determine whether you want to create an outbound or inbound campaign. For inbound campaigns, simply add the headers and the system will populate the spreadsheet when you receive a call. For outbound campaigns, populate the spreadsheet with at least the lead's name and phone number, along with any other information you want to discuss or verify during the call. Once your spreadsheet is ready, create an assistant accordingly. For example, if it's for an outbound campaign, ensure that your prompts and spiels are tailored for outbound calls. After setting up your AI assistant, give it a name, add an opening spiel, assign a Twilio number, and configure your identifiers, SMS and email notifications, and prompts. Once the AI assistant's profile is set up, you can create a campaign. To do this, go to the Campaigns menu and click the Add Campaign button. Enter the campaign name, select the assistant you've configured, choose the campaign type, outbound or inbound, from the drop-down menu, and set the campaign start date and time. Click the Create button to save the changes. The next step is to link your Google Sheet to the campaign. Click the Select Spreadsheet button and sign in to the Google account associated with your spreadsheet. Enter your credentials and grant all the necessary permissions that Call Agent AI requests. Once linked successfully, you'll see a confirmation message and the system will display the spreadsheets under that account. Select the spreadsheet you want to link and click the Add button. Under the Spreadsheet Info section, you'll see that the information has been updated according to your spreadsheet's headers. Identify the phone or mobile number column by checking the box under the phone field. This allows Call Agent AI to recognize which column contains the phone numbers. After selecting the phone number field, you can either schedule the campaign by clicking the Update and Schedule button, or run it immediately by clicking the Run Campaign button. It's important to ensure that the identifiers in the spreadsheet info match those in your AI assistant. For example, if the lead's name is labeled as Name in the spreadsheet, make sure it is also labeled as Name in the Assistant module. This ensures proper syncing of spreadsheet data so the system can update it accurately during the call. And that's how you set up your inbound or outbound campaign and link your Google spreadsheet to Call Agent AI's backend system. Thanks for watching.